Hi, if you're feeling frustrated or bored in your piano practicing, we're going to show you exactly why that happens and how you can fix it right now. Students quit the piano for two major reasons. One, they feel frustrated, like the challenge is just too much. Or two, they feel bored, like they're not making enough traction and maybe this just isn't for them. This is why it's extremely important for every student to find the state of flow, also known as being in the zone. Flow is a conceptual theory created by Mihai Csikszentmihalyi. Flow is a state where your focus is completely energized and you're totally immersed in the work that you're doing. Time just seems to fly by. It's hard to find flow because you need just the right amount of challenge. To illustrate this, let's go to the whiteboard. Let's imagine a graph. On one axis is skill level, and on the other is the challenge. A diagonal along these two axes is your state of optimal experience, or flow. This is where your skill level perfectly matches the challenge, and with time, you'll keep moving steadily along the diagonal. Go too far above the line and you'll become frustrated because the challenge is beyond your skill level. Too far below and you'll become bored because it's too easy. And contrary to popular belief, tackling a challenge beyond your skill level will not make your skill level increase. You'll just get frustrated and want to stop. If you're finding yourself frustrated, talk with your teacher about finding a challenge that's more suited to your skill level. And if you're bored, talk with your teacher about finding ways to challenge yourself more, either with slightly harder pieces or just learning more pieces. There are all kinds of ways you can challenge yourself and find your spot on that diagonal. And that's how you can overcome frustration or boredom in your piano practicing for a successful piano lesson experience. Please drop any thoughts or questions in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.